Dodge Charger Uconnect systems in models from 2015 to 2024 use resets to fix common issues like software crashes or black screens. A reboot is a quick power cycle that resolves temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button on the radio for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This clears RAM without erasing your data. A factory reset wipes the system, restoring default settings. Access this via Settings System Reset Factory Reset in the Uconnect menu, or by entering Diagnostic Mode. Turn ignition to ACC and hold volume and tuner knobs for 10 seconds. This will erase personal data, apps, and customizations requiring reconfiguration. Black screens are often a hardware issue like a depleted battery. Check fuses, test voltage with a multimeter, or replace the radio module. For software side, update via USB with official Stellantis firmware. Before performing any reset, back up your data and ensure the vehicle is parked with the ignition off. Consult your owner's manual for model-specific steps. If resets don't work, it may be a hardware issue requiring professional diagnostics. Current trends include over-the-air updates from Stellantis, aiming for 90% wireless firmware support by 2026 to proactively fix bugs and reduce the need for resets. Stellantis is also working on hybrid infotainment systems by 2027 for improved reliability. Ignoring black screens can lead to safety risks. Perform resets immediately or seek recalls. Statistics show resets have a 90% success rate for software fixes, but hardware issues require dealer intervention. Keep your system updated to prevent issues and ensure optimal performance.